Hi, this is Design Guy. Curious about Canva? Let's explore the awesome things you can create with it. First, click the Create button to start a new project. Here you'll find a wide variety of design options, including templates for presentations, social media posts, photo editing, videos, print materials, documents, whiteboards, spreadsheets, websites, and emails. Browse through these categories to quickly select the design that fits your project. This allows you to start customizing your content right away. You can also use a custom size for your design. Enter your desired dimensions into the fields provided to create a uniquely sized project. Create a new design sample. Set the dimensions to 300 by 300 pixels. Enter these values in the width and height fields to begin. Search for elements you need by typing keywords in the search bar. For example, enter world to quickly find and use a globe element template. Click on Template. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of available templates. Browse through the options and select the template you want to use for your project. Double-click the text to enter edit mode. Type any word or phrase you want to update the content. After making your changes, click outside the text box to save and view your edits instantly. You can add different elements here. In this section, you'll find a wide range of options, including shapes, graphics, animations, photos, pictures, audio files, and charts. Simply select the element you want to use, then click to add it to your project. Worksheets, tables, frames, and grid options are available. You can also generate samples by typing the desired word here. Click the Generate button. Canva's AI will now process your request and display 4 new images on the screen. Each image is a unique result generated based on your input. Review the 4 images provided. You can select any image you prefer to use in your design or generate more for additional options. Select from the 4 available images. Review each option and choose the one that looks best for your purpose. This particular image fits well, so we'll go ahead and use it. Click on the image to apply your selection and proceed to the next step in the process. She created a new design. To move the text, use your keyboard's arrow keys to adjust the placement until you're satisfied. Once your design looks how you want, click the Share button at the top right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file format, then confirm by clicking the Download button again. Your completed design will download directly to your device, and you're ready to use or share it. Select your preferred option, then choose Video Print for optimal print quality. Finally, click Download to save the file to your computer. Now you know all the cool things you can make in Canva. Give this a try and hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.